Guys, the wait is over. It's finally a reality. In this video, I'm going to show you my crypto trading bot, the code for which was completely written by the most advanced AI for coding. I gave it a detailed plan of how everything should work, and as a result, I got a fully autonomous trading tool that requires no constant supervision. It just works, consistently executing profitable trades. Over the past 6 months, I've probably tried dozens of different bots and strategies, and this system is the only one that works consistently and generates passive income for me. The best part is that since all the code was written using AI, anyone can launch it, even if you've never written a single line of code in your life. So I gave the AI this technical prompt. You can pause the video to read it. Flash loan arbitrage works like this. Our system notices that the exact same cryptocurrency is cheaper on one exchange than on another. For a few seconds, it borrows a large sum, buys the asset where it's cheaper, and immediately sells it where it's more expensive. After that, the program returns the borrowed amount plus the fee, and keeps the difference for itself. Everything happens in a single transaction. If it fails to make a profit, the transaction is automatically reverted. However, you still have to pay the gas fee for the attempt. The AI gave me this mainnet deployment-ready code. For your convenience, I left this exact code in the guide in the description of this video. Before we start, you need to install this browser add-on. You can use any other, but I'll be using this one. You'll also find the link to the add-on in the guide. As you can see, I already have a registered account here with a little bit of money. Now let's go to the guide and copy our trading system. Just click right here. Next, we need to open this online coding platform. We'll be using it to work with our system. You don't need to install anything extra. Everything works right in your browser. Click here to create a new file and name it whatever you want. The name doesn't matter. Next, scroll all the way to the top and look here. See the version? Now check this tab to make sure the version matches, check this box, and press this button. Once you see the notification, you're all set. Now let's head over here. Click here and select our add-on from the list. Confirm the connection and wait for the notification. See, my account info and balance appeared here. That means the connection was successful. Now just click here. This is almost the final step. We're going to deploy our system directly into the blockchain cloud, where it will run. Confirm the deployment, but keep in mind that you need to pay a small fee for this, so you should have $5 to $10 on your account for everything to go smoothly. Awesome! Now we have a control panel for our system with just a couple of buttons for convenience. What we need to do now is click here and go to the Explorer. Look here, this is the creator's address, and it must match your add-on address exactly. The code specifies that only the creator can interact with the trading system, so it's crucial that you always have access to your add-on. Now you need to copy this and fund your trading system's balance. It is recommended to use 2 Ethereum or more for maximum efficiency, with 1 Ethereum being the absolute minimum. The higher the balance, the more trades the system will execute and the more often it will trade. However, if your balance is too low, you risk losing money because transaction fees will not only wipe out your profit, but also burn your initial balance. So 1 Ethereum is the minimum, and 2 or more Ethereum is recommended for good performance. I'm currently using 15 ETH in my main system, but for this example, I'll show you how everything works with 2 Ethereum. Now let's refresh the page to make sure the trading system's balance has updated. As you can see, the balance is updated and the transaction is visible in the Explorer. Great! Now all that's left is to click the button, activate the bot, and wait for the notification. The bot will run on the blockchain until you stop it, and all trades will be visible right in the Explorer. I'll leave it running for a while, and I'll come back later so we can check out the results together. Whew, guys, I'm back! Alright, let's see what our system has been up to while I was away. Holy crap, that looks pretty damn good! And you have to understand that I was going about my business this whole time, not sitting at my computer. Look, all the transactions are right here on the screen. A new one popping up steadily every few hours. In short, it works like clockwork. And all of this on the very first try. I could leave it running for as long as I want, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to stop the system now. Just go back to the platform, click the button, confirm everything, and wait for the transaction to finish. According to YouTube rules, I have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing said here constitutes advice, whether legal, tax, investment, or any other kind. But speaking for myself, I'm shocked that tools that were previously only available to large companies and cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to develop are now available to a regular crypto enthusiast who simply bought a $20 Claude subscription. It's absolutely mind-blowing. All my contact info for questions or collaboration can be found in the description, along with the text guide and all the links. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and see you in the next video.